Cement concrete materials A coarse aggregate. It shall be crushed or broken from hard stone obtained from approved quarry. It shall be hard, strong, dense, and durable, clean and free from soft, friable, thin, flat, elongated, or laminated flaky pieces, and shall be roughly cubical in shape. It shall be clean and free from dirt and any other foreign matter. Coarse aggregate may be gravel, may either be river bed shingle or pit gravel. It shall be sound, hard, clean, suitably graded in size. This shall be free from flat particles of shell, powdered clay, silt, loam, and other impurities. Gravel shall have to be washed if it contains soil materials adhering to it, unless specially mentioned. The size of the coarse aggregate shall be 20 mm graded down and shall be retained in a 5 mm square mesh so that the voids do not exceed 42%. In the case of road or mass